Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm super excited to share with you my unboxing and review of this amazing laundry balls. I have been hearing a lot of about these eco-friendly and reusable laundry balls, and I am crucial to see how they work. So let's start with the unboxing. As you can see, the package is simple and compact, and I love that it's not too big or bulky, making it is easy to store in my laundry room. So guys, let's take a look at the laundry balls themselves. They are made of durable and eco-friendly material, and they are designed to be reusable for up to 5 years. That's amazing. I love that these laundry balls are so easy to use. Simply add them to your washing machine along with your clothes, and they will help to soften and clean your clothes. So guys, I have been using these laundry balls for a few weeks now, and I have to say I am really impressed. My clothes come out feeling soft and clean, and I love that I am reducing my use of detergent and helping the environment. So what do I think of these laundry balls? I think they are a game changer. They are eco-friendly, reusable, and they really work, and I would definitely recommend them to anyone looking for a more sustainable and effective way to do their laundry. So guys, I just want to take a moment to say thank you for watching my video. Your support means the world to me, and I couldn't do this without you. It's incredible to see you community growing, and it's motivate to me keep creating content, then inspire, entertain, and inform, whether you have been from the start of or just joined us recently. And your engagement, like, comment, and share make a huge difference. It help me understand what resonate with you and how can improve. I strive to bringing value in every video, and your feedback is essential in guiding that journey. So please keep those comment coming. Love hearing your thoughts and suggestions, and even your stories. They fuel my patience and creating. Remember, this space is all about connection. I want to build a community where we can learn from each other and grow together. So, if there's anything specific you would like to see or discuss, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you for once again. If you want to purchase this product, then also link is in description box, guys. And being a part of this amazing journey, your supports not only keeps me motivated but also inspire me. Till then, bye, take care, guys. Thank you.